Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Everyday English with Matt and Sara, the podcast that brings you real-life conversations to help you speak English more naturally. I'm Sara.
And I'm Matt. Today's episode is all about one of our favorite topics, the weekend.
Yes, we're going to share what we did, what we didn't do, and what we wish we'd done. You'll hear natural, casual English with lots of useful phrases that native speakers really use.
So let's get into it. Sara, how was your weekend?
Honestly, it started slowly. I slept in until 9:30, which felt amazing. I've been waking up early all week, so I really needed that.
Nice. Nothing beats a good sleep in. Did you have plans?
Totally. I met my friend Lisa for brunch at this cute little cafe downtown. We hadn't seen each other in forever, so we just sat there for hours catching up.
That sounds so relaxing. What did you have to eat?
I had pancakes with maple syrup and berries, plus a giant cappuccino. Oh, and we split a veggie omelet.
Now I'm hungry. I love brunch. It's basically breakfast, but you don't have to wake up early for it.
Exactly.
Was the cafe busy? Sometimes those little places get super packed on weekends.
It was. We had to wait about 15 minutes for a table, but it was worth it. They had a guy playing acoustic guitar outside, and the whole vibe was really chill.
Sounds lovely. I miss those laid-back Saturday mornings. So what did you do after brunch?
We went to the street market nearby. It's the one with all the handmade stuff. I got these adorable earrings and a scented candle. Total impulse buy.
I know the feeling. I'm a total sucker for street food. Did you buy anything to eat?
Yes, we shared a falafel wrap and got iced lemon tea. The weather was just too perfect not to be outside.
Sounds like the ideal Saturday. Sunny, relaxed, and filled with good food.
Yep. After that, I went home and chilled for a bit. Just read a book and laid on the couch.
Any good book?
Yeah, it's called The Midnight Library. It's kind of deep. Makes you think about your life choices.
Sounds like a mix of relaxing and reflective. I love that balance. My Saturday was a bit different. I woke up around 7 a.m. and went for a jog. I'm trying to build a new morning routine, but my body still isn't used to it. Your body will rebel when you try to change things too quickly.
That's so true. I tried doing yoga every morning once, and my back hated me for a week.
Exactly. After my jog, I bumped into my neighbor, Mr. Reynolds. We talked for a bit. He's starting a garden, by the way. Then I headed back and decided to finally clean the garage.
Whoa, that's ambitious for a Saturday.
I know, right? It was a total disaster zone. I'd been putting it off for months, but I found my old guitar and a box of photo albums. Total trip down memory lane.
That's the best part of cleaning, rediscovering things you forgot you had.
Exactly. I even played a little guitar before I got tired and gave up.
What kind of music do you play?
Mostly folk and soft rock. I used to play in a band in college, believe it or not.
No way, I had no idea. You're full of surprises. So, how did you spend your evening?
I was wiped out. So I ordered Thai food, spicy noodles, and green curry, and just binge-watched a new series on Netflix.
Which one?
It's called Criminal Code. Super intense, lots of twists. I treated myself to dessert too. Mango sticky rice.
That's one of my favorites. It's important to treat yourself sometimes.
Totally agree. After the chaos of the week, you need something to look forward to.
How many episodes did you watch?
Don't judge me, I watched 4.
Haha, classic binge watching. We've all been there. Honestly, 4 episodes is reasonable. I once watched an entire season in a single day. 0 regrets.
Haha, been there. Once you start, it's hard to stop. Especially when every episode ends with a cliffhanger.
Exactly, they do that on purpose.
For sure. But after that, I was too full and lazy to do anything else. Just laid on the couch like a potato.
A classic couch potato moment. We've all had those weekends.
Sunday started much slower. I woke up around 9 and just stared at the ceiling for like 10 minutes.
That sounds peaceful or depressing. Hard to tell.
Peaceful. I just needed a moment before facing the day. Then I made some strong coffee and toast.
Coffee is life. I had a double espresso and a croissant on my balcony. I love Sunday mornings when the neighborhood is quiet.
Totally. The calm before the storm of Monday.
I put on some music, Nora Jones, really mellow, and just did a bit of journaling.
That's such a good habit. I've tried journaling, but never stick with it.
It helps me clear my mind, like taking out the mental trash. Around noon, I headed to the animal shelter. I volunteer there 2 Sundays a month.
That's awesome. What kind of things do you do?
Mostly dog walking, cleaning kennels, feeding cats. It's messy work, but super rewarding.
That's really cool. I admire people who give up their time like that.
It gives me perspective, honestly. Seeing how happy the dogs get just from a 15-minute walk? It's the best.
Do you ever get tempted to adopt one?
All the time, but my apartment is too small. I'd feel bad.
That's fair. I'd adopt all of them if I could. After lunch, I got a call from my brother. He was like, let's go hiking. Totally last minute.
Spontaneous plans are the best. Did you go?
Yep. I threw on some clothes, grabbed water and a banana, and off we went. The trail is just 25 minutes from my place.
Nice. Was it a hard hike?
Moderate. A few steep parts. But the views were breathtaking. Forests, hills, and at one point, a deer crossed our path.
That sounds magical.
It was. We sat at the top for a while, just enjoying the silence. It really put things into perspective.
I love those quiet moments in nature. Makes you feel small in a good way.
Exactly. We ended the hike with pizza and cold drinks. My legs were sore, but it was worth it.
When I got back from the shelter, I took a long shower and made a salad. Nothing fancy. Then I curled up with my book.
Still reading The Midnight Library?
No, I finished that Saturday. I started a new one called The Paper Palace. Very emotional.
You're such a reader. I wish I had that habit.
Start small. 10 minutes a day, it adds up. This one was so good, I couldn't put it down.
I might give it a try. I need something other than screens before bed.
It helps me sleep better too. Screens mess with your brain.
True. I watched a short documentary before bed, then lights out by 11.
Responsible adult move. I stayed up a bit later, but it was worth it.
Before we go, let's go over some expressions and phrases from today's episode.
We've got slept in, waking up later than usual, catch up, talking with someone to exchange news, impulse buy, buying without planning, sucker for something, loving something too much to resist it, bumped into, meeting someone by chance, put off, delaying something you should do, trip down memory lane, recalling the past nostalgically, treat yourself, doing something nice for yourself, binge watch, watching many episodes in a row, groggy, sluggish, drag your feet, feeling slow and tired, throw on clothes, get dressed quickly, breathtaking, very beautiful. Put things into perspective, understanding what really matters. Rewarding, emotionally satisfying couch potato, someone who relaxes too much. Couldn't put it down. The book was too interesting to stop reading.
Try to use 3 of these phrases when talking about your own weekend, even if it's just with yourself in the mirror.
Or write about it in your journal, like I do.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We hope you enjoyed spending the weekend with us.
Until next time, stay cozy, keep learning, and go with the flow.